So today I'm going to bring you along for a new recipe that I am using my dehydrated corn with. I was perusing Pinterest and saw a Mexican street corn tostada. And it just called to me. I need to eat it. I need to try this out. So that is what I'm doing. I'm using dehydrated corn. I'm rehydrating right now. So it's doing its thing, rehydrating. I'm going to be using my pinto beans for my refried beans this time. And I'll show you how to do that. Show you how I'm making the corn. I'm using my homemade mayonnaise, but it is in an old mayonnaise container. And then we're going to make our tostadas out of some corn tortillas. So, right now, hi. And the babies just woke up. So I'm going to let my pan heat up. Come here. I'm going to let my pan heat up. I'm going to toast the corn tortillas, and then I will bring you back when we start making the refried beans and the corn. So I hope that you enjoy this video and you stick around. Subscribe and like if you have not already, and I will see you in a minute. We're going to do our refried beans first. And I like to add butter. It has a little bit of grease from where I toasted off the corn tortillas, but I drained most of it because I'd rather have some butter. So I have that down. I will drain my beans. Now, whenever I make beans, specifically for refried beans, I will do the quick soak on them before I can them up. Because it will make them softer and easier to mush up. I'm also going to put in, I chopped up an onion. I'm going to put in half of it in my refried beans, and the other half is going in our corn. And then I also have some garlic, and I'm going to do the same thing. Half of it. And I'm kind of making my own recipe because I don't have all the ingredients for the street corn recipe that I found, so I'm just making it the way that I want to make it. Let's get everything stirred around. And then I want to add some salt, because I did not add salt whenever I canned this, and some pepper. And then I also want to add, I wish I had cilantro. I would add some cilantro, but I do not. But I am going to do some chili powder and some cumin. And some red pepper. Alright. Give it another good stir. And then I'm going to let the beans heat up. And after the beans have heated up for a minute, they're a lot easier to mush. And then I'll take my potato masher and mush them up. I'm also going to let the onions cook for a little bit before I start mushing. Okay, so I just got done mashing this with a potato masher. We're going to get it out. I'm going to stick it in a bowl for a minute so we can do our corn. Okay. Now, all I'm really doing is heating up the corn because, well, yeah, I'm just heating it up because it was frozen and I dehydrated it, so it's already been blanched. So it really just needs heated through. I'm going to get the water out, and I kind of want to get a little char to them, if that makes sense. So, let me put some butter down. Well, actually, hold that thought. Let's put butter down and saute our onions. Then we'll put the corn in. So there's our butter. and 2. Running out of room. To that, we're going to add the rest of our onion and the rest of our garlic. We'll let that saute for a minute. And then we will add in our corn. And I will bring you back when all this is sauteed. Okay, so everything is cooked through and the onion is done to my liking. I didn't want it super soft. I still wanted it to have a little bite. So now we're going to add, I have the heat turned off, we're going to add our other ingredients. First thing I'm going to use is some mayonnaise. And just get down in there. I need to make some more. I'm running low. And then you can add lime juice. It called for lime juice, but I only have lemon, so I am using lemon. It won't be exactly the same taste, but it'll be citrus, and that'll be good enough for me. So get that all stirred around. Then we're going to add, then we're going to add some salt and pepper. Oh, I think I got pepper in my eye. Whew, that burns. And then we're going to add some chili powder. And give it another stir. I may add a little more mayonnaise. I'm going to taste it and see. Alright, let me taste test. Yes, this is a baby spoon. I know I have your spoon, don't I? A little more. What is that? A little more mayonnaise. So, for this amount, I probably put about a half a cup of mayonnaise. Which isn't bad, because this is a lot of corn. Give it a good stir. And now I will bring it over so that we can plate this up. And I'll show you how I am going to do it. And I'm excited. Me and the girls are both excited for this little Mexican treat. So, bring you right over here. Okay, so you have your toasted tostada. Well, your toasted, whatever that was. I just lost my train of thought. Corn tortilla. Your toasted corn tortilla, which is our tostada. So, take your refried beans. Try not to make a mess as you're getting your refried beans, unlike myself. And then we're just going to spread that like so. And then take some of our corn mixture and layer it right on top. A little more. I'm gonna load it up. Whew, hot, hot. So, you could finish this off with some cheese on top if you wanted, but I'm not doing cheese. So I'm just going to add just an extra sprinkle of chili powder. And there it is. Let me take you in close. Look at that. Is that not delicious looking? And you're supposed to be able to just pick it up like this and eat it. I will try it. Alright, new favorite dish right here. And that couldn't be simpler to make. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little video. And I will see you guys next time for another delicious recipe. Thanks for watching.